All right, I can work on this wheel. What's your name?
You know who it is.
Everybody's wondering what happened to you. They thought that you died.
Mechanic.
They thought you died.
I'm still alive. Barely.
Barely?
Barely can walk.
That's fine. And they don't want to know what happened to you.
I'm here.
I told him you died. You either died or you owe me money. I forget which one.
I don't think I owe you money. I think it goes the other way around.
So you're dead. Perfect.
It's more like you owe me money.
How about that? We'll just call it even. Alright. Is that balanced yet?
It's spinning. I don't think that's
Why is it
balanced.
going down?
It's heavy on the bottom.
Oh, is that why? It's not heavy on the top? It doesn't roll very well on a square knob. Looks like quit moving. I'm putting these weights up here. What do you think?
I think you should probably tap a couple in.
How many do you want?
2.
1, 2. Nope. Well, almost. No. It's close though.
We have these really scientific methodologies for
It is. Gravity.
weight balance.
Gravity works very, very well. Can't get any better than gravity. Until gravity changes, it's pretty good. Looks like the heavy ones are back up there again.
So a couple more.
I think one more is going to be too much.
We don't have these high-speed wheel spinners.
I have a high-speed wheel spins right there.
Yeah.
Spins the piss out of it.
Oh, not moving much.
No, this axle doesn't really roll very easily on the square edge. You need to have a piece of flat stock under or something to make it work better, but I think we were close enough, Red. We took off 4, we put 3 back.
Perfect.
Got low access to get to it though. Look at that big brass punch line over there behind it.
Where? Right here?
Behind that electrical cord. Put your hand in there.
Got it. Big brass balls. I mean,
Is that the correct one?
big brass.
It's got a curve going around corners, Fred.
Big brass rod.
You like that?
Oh, that was good.
You mean that was the right tool?
Oh, that is a tool. That one's going to be interesting.
Get it from this side?
I don't know.
That's why it's long. See? Doesn't appear to be moving, does it?
Yeah, pretty close.
Maybe it doesn't want to move.
Oh, did something.
You want to hit it really hard in the correct spot, it moved it.
I think you had it all wicked wacky going.
Bad angling, that's for sure.
There it goes.
When you get it straight, it goes right down, huh?
Oh, a little assistance there.
Is that too much weight now?
Could have knocked some of the dirt off and helped the
It has
balance.
to be close enough to me.
Brass rod, please.
It's good enough for who it's for.
Yeah. Just racing on dirt.
That's right. Doesn't matter, it'll change the balance anyway. I'll leave that right there for now. One race wheel ready to go. How come it's getting heavier? Appears to be dirt falling off. Hey, this one doesn't fit under like the last one. You mean this tire's bigger than the other one? Is that gonna change my gearing?
All that stuff plays in, huh? Get your brake pads in place.
Well, one of them is.
I like how he cleans everything up before he puts it back together. Very classic.
Every time I touch something, it gets cleaner. Give me a large screwdriver. No. It's on the middle pile. Right, middle of the pile.
It's a medium-sized screwdriver.
That's the large one for here. Here's these brake pads are in the way, Fred.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still in the way. Thought I had it squared away, but again, if the wheel is square, it would fit just fine.
So wheel up and straight up and down.
Well, I'm kind of busy doing everything else. I can't hold everything.
There it is, almost.
Yeah, well, there it goes.
There it is. Hey, that is. That is. That's it.
Hey, it went up in there, Fred.
Up in the hole. Up in the hole. Hey, come out the other side.
You even need a hammer. Plumb. Nut. Spacer. Big ass one. Resembles this one. Oh, we should have put that in there. Don't forget to put the spacer in there.
Isn't that difficult to get in there without, you should have put that in before you roll the tire in?
Maybe.
Because everything's so damn close.
Could be something like that. That won't fit past those bolts.
No, I think that should have been in there before you roll the tire
Doesn't
in.
fit in there like that if you squeeze really hard.
I think you're gonna have to
What
pull
if
that,
I bend the frame
pull
out?
that thing out, lift it up, and see if the tire will be low enough to put
Oh, I
the.
gotta do it that way?
Yeah. Just don't roll it back out. Just lift it up. Lift the bike up.
You're in charge of that. I can't work everything.
That's the other string.
One more.
Little nudge. One more.
One more.
It should be low enough now.
It's not.
Snot. You have to take it off the brake, aren't you?
Fire.
Close. Give it a little tap. Give it a little tap.
Bring her down. Hey, hey. My fingers are in there, Fred. Good thing I had them cleared.
I didn't know it was going to go that quick.
You just bump it this time. Don't pull them.
Ready to bump it?
Yeah. More. More. Oh.
Now down. A little more. There it is. Yeah, success again.
It's in there?
With the right thing in the right place now.
Oh, I've got a problem now.
Oh.
Axle's in the wrong spot. Got to hold up where I can see it.
Right.
Right there.
Yep.
That's where I had it before. Or I do it streamline going this way. That's where you want to do it.
I don't think that's streamlining much.
Hey, it all adds up. You don't like streamline?
No.
Streamline's this way.
Yeah, but it's easy to see going up and down.
I like streamlining. Makes me feel important. Do you have theoretically, you shouldn't have to do anything. Because the motor's the same. Sprocket's the same.
Mm.
Everything else is the same, right?
Okay. Supposedly. A dirty chain.
Lubed.
Lube chain.
Pretty loose chain. It's getting kind of used.
Doesn't have much wobble.
It is flexible. We'll go ahead and yank on it some more.
Why not?
See if that helps it any.
Back here in gear.
You know, I am and I'm not, that's the problem. That's why I wasn't sure about the tranny. Kind of acting goofy. Shift lever.
Shift.
I wanted to check into that before I got too deep into it, but
Well, how deep are you into it? I think you're pretty damn deep into it now.
well, I know right there it's in gear.
It's spinning now.
It clicks, let's see if it's neutral or low.
It's spinning now.
It's in neutral?
Yeah, it looks like it.
It appears to be neutral. Like that blue dye on the floor there.
Hmm.
Blue dye number 3. That oil line fitting is leaking.
That seemed to be.
Yeah.
Seems you haven't done anything with the engine except.
Expensive ass fitting is leaking like a sieve. I don't know why it's leaking, because it ain't that old. Not even really dirty. Now we're tooth out, Fred.
There you go.
A little snug.
I can sit back down now.
It's a little bit snug. Alright. Alright.
Looks like you need a link.
Not. Get dirty. Need a link? You got a link?
Chain link.
Pre-lube it?
Hmm.
Some people don't like links. Some tools. I need some better tools, Fred.
We need some more specialized tools.
Need these tools.
Hmm. Doesn't seem to want to. I guess it did.
That one works better. A little tighter on that one, but it's alright. Chain's getting broken in, I can use regular tools now.
Hmm. And your duckbill pliers.
Clack, clack. Here's the one in.
Very good.
She's riveted.
Hit it with a hammer. Hit it with a hammer.
Pull that brake lever up there. There you go.
It's bottom. It's bottoming out.
What's bottoming out? The brake lever?
Yeah.